We're headed to Sand Hollow. It's you!
The last episode at Sand Hollow was all smooth sailing, but we were just breaking her in. So this episode is all about the carnage, the breaks, the recoveries, and the times that, well, it didn't go quite as planned.
Yeah. Woo! Nice.
Sometimes it's all about adjusting the line.
Yeah, that's for sure. Dang, we missed all the action.
Yeah.
Dang, I missed the action.
Alright, now what do I do? We waiting?
Hey, Roy, can you come up here and help me see if we can pull this body over?
We get a couple guys over there and a few over here.
You're pinched over there. We're just going to try to pull your fender away so it doesn't break the clips. And then you straight, wiggle them, go passenger in like 10 inches. There you go. Use a little throttle. Your back tire bites. Little bit. Little bump.
How's it look?
Throttle bump.
No, stop.
Give it a little bump. See what it feels like. Sure. Yeah, you go. Go. Give the bump. There you go. You're off.
Nice. That looks...
We'll put a Band-Aid sticker right there.
There's nothing.
And then just
Yeah, we need a wrecked it Band-Aid.
if it was crunching it, destroying it, I'd have been like, stop. But it was like peeling it off nice and gently, like a tool.
Yeah, that's a little bit of style.
A little black paint. What mine look like?
It's crazy how many of my buddies are running the Nitto trail grapplers, and I can't wait to get them on the Jeep and let them eat.
Dang.
Next time we hit the gas instead of the brake, poking out through the bottom. Like the other side, this side. Yeah.
Georgie, grab that soft shocker right there. Oh, you...
Alright, count right there.
Alright, easy, George.
Forward. Yeah, see if I can try to forward first. Alright. Alright, Don, give us attention.
I'm gonna have him take as you go.
Yeah, tell us attention.
Nice.
Release a little bit. Out. Good. Alright, now let me try to get out of here the right way.
You gotta go hard. You gotta go drive again.
One thing about me, Jeep is in my name. It's in the blood.
Now we will ride with Mr. Krabs and the JK on 40s and 1 tons.
No way.
Straighten up a bit in the front. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Woo! That was a rush.
Always fun riding passenger when Dave is trying buggy lines, but thankfully we did have a buggy in the group to conquer the line.
Andy broke a U-joint. Oh, that sucks.
You gotta get that down.
Oh! Hey, we're gonna square them up over here. Go ahead and take it in, Andy. Let me get some tension. Let me see where I need to protect it here. Probably everywhere. What do I do? Just give me some tension. Tension up a little bit.
Nice thing about that synthetic line, scrape it over the rocks without fraying it like cable.
Passenger. Passenger. There you go.
Andy, stop. Your drive shaft is turning, but your wheel's not.
This wheel's turning.
This one's not on the side.
Just unlock it.
Okay. Maybe you want to lock it so we can get some extra traction now.
All right, there we go. You're over, dude.
Andy limped his Jeep in two-wheel drive back to the rental house, sourced some parts in town, and we got it fixed that night.
Neighbors. Like, what is going on here? How much is the hub? That doesn't matter.
No, the hub's under warranty.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. But there's nothing that goes inside that hub.
I think it was right here. It was...
Does that go all the way back in there?
Yeah. So it sits in a kind of stable position.
Second time,
Second time. Apologize.
highway to hell. What'd you break on highway to hell?
I'm gonna tap this in down here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it moves in.
Beating it in. This is the first time I've ever broken a trail. In
What?
3 years.
Give me that.
Dang.
No.
Dang, that looks fancy.
More than that?
Yeah.
Nom 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 nom.
That.
Took everything apart.
This just goes to show, even if you put 1-ton axles on a Jeep, you can still break stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. And of course, hit that thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Check out the link below to my Patreon if you want to support the channel. And stay tuned for the next couple episodes where we rip Nate's Can-Am and hit the chute. The only question is, are you down to mob? Woo! Oh, she's a mobber!